Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install and download Power BI. So to install this application, first of all, you need to visit this website, which is powerbi.microsoft.com. And over this product, click here and you will see different products. So the first one is Power BI Desktop. So I'm going to download this application. So click here and you will be redirected to the next page. Now you can download this application by two way. The one way is through the Microsoft app, like the Microsoft Store. From there you can download that particular application and this website will redirect you there. And the another way is through this page only. So if you want to download through the Microsoft Store, then you can click here, that is download free button, and you will get this pop up. So it says that you can download this Power BI from that particular app. Okay, and if you don't want to download from there, then you can click this, that is see download or language option, and you will be redirected to the another page. And from here, from this page, you can download the Power BI. Now here you have to select the language, like which language you want, and then press this download button. Now here you will find two options. The first is PBI desktop setup underscore 64.exe and another is this one. So I am going to select this and tick here and press this next button. As soon as you presses this next button, the download will start. So here, as you can see, I have already downloaded this setup. Now let's see how to install it. So once you download this setup, double press this and the installation window will pop up. So as you can see, this is the window which we got for the installation. So from here you have to select the language. So you can select different languages. Here you also have German, Greek, Hindi. Okay, so I'm going to select the English language. Then press this next button. So now it is preparing to install. So it will take a while to install this Windows application. Okay. So here we got the message. Please wait while the setup wizard prepares to guide you through the installation. So now press this next button. Now you have to accept this license agreement. Select this, I accept the terms. And this is the path where my Power BI will be installed. You can also change this path by clicking this change button. Press next. And by hitting this install button, the Power BI will be installed. Okay, so I'm going to press this install button now and the installation begin. So it will take some time to install this software. So here you can see that the Power BI has launched successfully and now you can start creating your own dashboard. So please like this channel, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest notification. Thank you guys for watching this.